Oil-free carbon dioxide compressor. This is oil-free high-purity carbon dioxide compressor. Working pressure is carbon dioxide. Flow rate is 800 nominal cubic meters per hour. Inlet pressure is 25 bar, outlet pressure is 75 bar. The compression technology of this compressor is oil-free, 2-column, 1-stage compression, zero pollution, and easier maintenance. The power is 55 kilowatts, and the cooling method is high-efficiency water cooling, which can ensure continuous low-temperature operation.